So hello guys, Suryan and I have made a bacillus cell, which is a type of bacterial cell, and now Suryan will explain how the process of making it, and later I will get into like the organelles, the components of the cells. Yeah.
So as you can see, it's made out of bottle. But first we cut two bottles into equal halves, and the bottom part of each bottle we stuck it together, and we made a top part opening so we can put the slime inside. That would be the capsule of the bacillus cell, and then I made a paper clip and put red string around it, which is the flagellum, and I stuck pieces of string to the capsule of the bacillus cell to represent the pili, and inside there are different cell organelles like the string, which would be the nucleus, and the neon colored balls would be the cytoplasm, and then the tiny dots would be the chromosomes. And now Adi is going to talk about it and the cell functions.
So I would like to start off with pili. So these blue colored hair-like structures. So these pili are hair-like structures, like projections, which help two bacillus cells stick together and transfer DNA to each other. Okay, so this is how it would look like, and then this is the flagellum. So to put it a little easier, it's more like it helps in transportation. So it's kind of like the tentacles of the cell. So it pushes and then it moves forward. So do you see these really small mustard seeds inside? These really small ones.
Yeah.
So those are the chromosomes, and just for the, like, if you want to see those better, it's these brown ones, these big brown beads. So they are very small organelles, but and they contain a very rich granules, and their main function is to produce protein for the cell, like it makes its own food for the cell to have this energy. And overall, the whole thing is the capsule of the cell. This is the whole capsule, the whole thing. And this plastic layer, the outer plastic layer, is the cell wall. The cell wall helps the cell takes its shape and its structure. And the inner layer of the plastic is called the plasma membrane. And it's kind of like the security guard of the cell. It makes sure that things go in and out of the cell. And have both of you had an infection before?
Oh yeah.
Have you had a bacterial infection? No. If you have by any chance, or if anyone has, it's because if these bacterial cells, they get into the body through food, air, water, or any openings in the body, and they break open through the cell wall of a human cell, the animal cell, and it starts affecting the nucleus and the DNA of the cell. Then after it's killed the cell, it multiplies into two. So that's how it reproduces. When it multiplies in seconds, it would go into millions. So that's how it works. And then it starts affecting the immune system. And so this is how it would, this was the actual thing we referred to for the cell. So this is the gelatin-like capsule. This is the cell wall, cell membrane, the flagellum, as I've explained. Then we have the cytoplasm and chromosome. And other than that, and one more thing that I like to add is, like, one of these beads can also be known as the ribosome, which is again provides the protein for the cell. I think it's in here as well. Yeah, it's in these beads, these kind of structures, these really brownish ones here. Do you guys have any questions? No? All good. So, thanks.